invited our high school students to come to this year.
My teacher, Mr. Palmer, came up to me and he told me that we were offered to come down here through our program at the Career Center, and I thought it would be a great experience, something different.
I teach graphic design and video production. Basically, I just wanted to provide my students the opportunity to see how those mediums are growing and kind of see how those skills fit in with entrepreneurship and developing a business model and pushing that out and building content to help support your model and everything like that.
I am a very go-getter type person, and I think this is an opportunity for me to better myself and create a path for myself that may not already exist.
I'm wanting to learn more about leadership abilities and stuff like that. I'm really wanting to learn more how to get better at working with other people. I'm very socially anxious, and I think having more leadership traits and getting better at talking with other people and interacting with other people I don't know. And I figured this would be a nice new experience and a way to do that.
I just know some of this is about entrepreneurial ventures and business and learning more how to start things and reach out in communities, and I'm just looking forward to all that because depending what I do in the future, I think that might come in handy.
I am hoping to learn more about the businesses that surround me so I can better support my community, where they started and how they got to be as successful as they are today.
Reading the histories of famous companies like McDonald's and all these other businesses, I like to read how they started and who helped them get to where they are, and that's just really cool seeing the success stories and thinking, hey, maybe I could have a business that's like that someday.
So it's important to try and be able to work for yourself.
The ability to be your own boss, run your own company, and pursue things that you find interesting but ignore things that you maybe don't, I think that's pretty cool.
I think we can all look at ourselves and see things that we would like to change, or even just see things that maybe we could get a little bit better.
I guess that's something else I'm looking forward to learning is how to fail without destroying your business entirely and fail but not give up.
I often chase the fact that I would like to be better than myself yesterday.
The earlier you start, the better it is.
They're really excited to go home and put some of this to work.